Who's recording me right now? Caught in 4K.
He likes you. Is he giving you kisses? He's probably looking for a boob.
The most relaxing things you can possibly do.
Probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
It's okay. Try it.
Até os animais demoram para achar a posição perfeita para dormir.
If wiping the floor is boring, use the furry version instead.
1, 2, 3.
You can save £50.
No entiendo por qué tenés que venir a jugar con esa chotada a mi espalda. O sea...
Warte, warte, warte.
Mama.
Yet another weird thing Hash does. With his turkey giblet treats.
Mírame.
A gentle touch to spark a new friendship. This pet version.
Introverts protect their energy when they see strangers.
A pit bull attitude trapped in a Yorkie body.
You know what's peanut butter? Yeah, you get that peanut butter.
Look at it, Sophia.
He's fast.
She's chewing on your
Mama. Good boy. Mama.
Look at him. You're doing so good.
Keep up and get with it. Santa's little helper.
Do ba do ba do ba do.
Floor, hand your flute.
Uh-oh. No, sir. Go get her! Go get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Oh, my knee!
Under a blanket.
Little man.
Your baby isn't playing with toys anymore. Save them for the cats.
You really got me locked in here, buddy. I'm not.
I'm too tired to be the best loaf today. Even bread needs a break, you know?
Those eyes say everything. If this grooming goes wrong, his mom is in for a rough night.
Hey! Hey, Piggy. Let him know.
No
Do those things bite? Come on.
Looks like neither one of them understands the size difference here.
Robó mi chala y no tengo con qué irme. Ya, entrégala.
Fossy, this is your boy.
Dog.
Carol. She brings me a squirrel. She brings me a bunny. She brings me a rat with no head. And now she brings me a flying squirrel.
Bruce, please.
The furry reason why my house is always a mess.
This cat's not letting me Facebook. Here. No, cat. You gotta stop it. I wanna watch this stuff. Cat. No. We gotta go the other way.
Dixie, come.
I also call it gang.
Good girl.
Apparently, even at cat gyms, securing a spot on the treadmill can't. We've all had our moments of terrible boredom.
A gentle heart. These loyal guardians remind us that love and protection can come in the most unexpected forms. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.
Dá pra ver que passaram o dia inteiro correndo juntos também.
This friendship has everything. Chasing, slapping, and cutting.
Yay!
You're being so awkward. Dory, stop. No.
For those who can't pet their cats, try this instead.
Goodness. Oh, I miss. You can't come that way. You always fall. Come here. I'm gonna use the steps.
Nope.
Oh man. Oh man. Go. Come on. There you go.
Every day, the dog eagerly awaits to see its best friend, the one who delivers this letter.
Thank you. Oh, you sweet buddy. Adorable.
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
That is hilarious.
No amount of retail therapy or food can give this level of comfort.
Go away for a few hours and then come back and then eat it all and do it all over again.
握手，宝贝。哎，开花。哎，对了，握左手。好。
Who would dare make a statue of my face? Oh, but it's actually pretty cute.
Come on, Jess. Come on, big jump. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, no.
Directly proportional.
Oh, Bruder, warte, du kommst.
Check it out.
Come on. Good boy.
I think she's gonna need a bath.
Él es rebelde.
Ella es rebelde.
This dog took the food and left without making a sound. So professional.
Every kid deserves a dog that respects their 20
In the complete opposite direction because he sees it in the mirror. We're going on a car ride. That's my buddy.
Hi, girl. Las zapatillas son zapatillas.
Hey.
Let a husky get behind you.
我让你洗澡呀，你能洗澡呀你呀？哎呀妈呀，你这。
When your boyfriend accidentally publicized his relationship with you.
sure he doesn't dress like that.
你有病吧？
His calm face shows who's the clear winner of this battle.
I wanna kill my mom! What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad!
This isn't a dog. This is the CEO of Toy Protection Services.
He has found the perfect spot that matches his innate royal aura.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
La chinga de tu vida te voy a dar.
Me gusta eso,
¡Pam,
sí.
pam, pam, pam!
Ajá.
Honey, it's okay.
On high alert 24/7, but bro really thinks if he can't see you, you can't see him.
他要救你啊！天呐，他要救你啊，乌尼！你看他好着急。
快了。
What?
爱的小米。好可爱哟，这臭妈。
You want, huh? Why you want me to pet you? Is that what you want? Here, I'll pet you, okay? There you go.
Denise, we're definitely teaching her. Oh, this is us. We're definitely teaching her not to come.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Hold on. He's holding on.
Nope, I'm not going nowhere. You can't make me.
Hey, Ben. I'm gonna eat this little baby. I'm gonna put her in a little boot.
Toddlers and pit bulls have formed a close bond.
You love your puppy.
You want to go eat? Come on.
Oh no, no. Oh no, no.
Nice.
Russia's foreign minister Sergei Lavrov said the
Close,
strike
turn around, he's gonna hit you in the eye.
already broken. You
In Barbie movie, Season 2, Barbie is...
short video to demonstrate my very lazy dog.
He works 3 jobs and decided it's time to relax.
Experience. Budget friendly, mud inclusive.
No. No. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Oh, she got the pill.
Together, like peanut butter and jelly.
Lexi, stop.
Going to the bathroom and kicking the litter is normal, but this girl even cleans the whole litter box for you.
Monument in 1909 to save
Right in the middle of a crowd, their affectionate bond truly stands out.
What are you doing up there? What you doing on the fridge?
Such a playful little pup.
Пуха, ну-ка стой, Пуха.
Тихо.
Это наш Пуха.
Ну подождите, он без вас поел. На Новый год несет гостиницу.
What's wrong with you people? I am a